I just got home from vacation. Drop off my wife at work, waiting at the light. Literally just waiting for the green light. A lady came with a Chevy Silverado and just slammed right, like rear-ended me, and pretty much I blacked out for a few seconds. When I woke up, I looked, my car was destroyed. At that time, my back, my shoulder, my neck was hurting, and I had a headache for a while. Well, my wife back in 2019 or 2020, I believe, it was the same thing. She was waiting for the light, and a gentleman with a big truck, I think it was a dump truck at the time, I don't know, he was on the phone or something, just rear-ended her, and she was pregnant with my son at that time too. So they were trying to like offer her fix the vehicle and things like that, and they were trying to pretty much, in other words, like downplay her. And she got mad, and we always passed through here, so she came in here, called you guys, and you guys handle it like fine wine, pretty good. My experience is actually pretty smooth, I'll be honest with you. This is my first accident dealing with all this stuff, and I was pretty nervous because I'm the type of person that I don't like dealing with so much paperwork, lawyer, and then this and that. So Jasmine kept me like informed all the way, step by step and everything. She pretty much all I did was just answer her phone call so she could keep me updated. So she did everything. She was amazing. Oh, 100%, yes. Yes, I got the number recorded on my phone. You gotta do it. The experience, everything in life is about experience. And when something is good to me, listen, I stick with that. So yes, I will recommend it 100%. Honestly, everything was perfect. I can't complain. It's just 100 out of 100, you know? While I'm at work, everything, all that good stuff, Jasmine kept me updated and everything, so I can't complain. It's perfect.